Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be making piggies in a blanket using some hot dogs, beef hot dogs. Alright, and I'm going to take them out. I run them under hot water. Next, you're going to cut your hot dog into half. Just like that. Like that. Okay? And then you're going to get ready to make your dough.
Try them. Poke some holes all around. Just like that.
Okay, so I used 2 cups of flour for my pigs in the blanket. Next, you're going to pour water in. I used about 2/3, I believe, of water. Put it right into the middle of the flour. All right, and then I added 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar right into the middle where the water is. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoonful of salt. Next, you're gonna add in your oil, vegetable oil. I used 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, and then you're just gonna mix it all up until you form it into a ball, a nice little ball. And I'm gonna speed this up for y'all because you don't want to sit here and watch me mixing something, right? Whew, that was a lot of work, you guys. I'm tired. But anyways, so after you get your little ball, you're gonna put it onto your plate and use your rolling pin to get it nice and flat. So you get a big circle. Oops, I meant half a circle. Okay, you guys. And now you're going to start making think of it as slices, pizza slices. So I start down the middle and I'm going to make 8 because right now we're making 8 piggies in the blanket. So you're going to make sure that you have at least 8 little pieces of slices of dough. Alright, so I kind of messed up. I made 6, but I just went back and made them a little bit smaller and made 8 out of them. No big deal. You can always fix them. Fix any mistake in life. Alright, and on to the fun part. So you're going to take your little piece of hot dog, take one slice of the dough, flatten it down a little bit like I'm doing, and then you just start rolling it up from the top part, from the wider section, just like I'm doing. Very easy, very fun. And you're just gonna do the same thing for each piece. Flatten your dough, take the hot dog, put it at the top, and just roll them up. Alright, the last one. Now I'm all done. I have 8 pieces, 4 hot dogs, pigs in the blanket. Okay, so now I'm going to spray my baking pan. In the oven they go. Let's wait 15 minutes. Alright, and for the sauce, I wanted honey mustard to go with it, but I don't have that. So I'm going to squeeze some honey in here. And some mustard. And hopefully I'll achieve the flavor that I want. I'm gonna stir it up. My lighting might be a little poor. Hold on. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. And ta-da! That's it. And here we are, you guys. They're all done. Your pigs in a blanket with the honey mustard. Yum, yum. Bon appetit. Time to eat.